Hello everyone, and welcome to our mini math lesson of the day, talking about the difference between the hook and traditional for long division. We're going to be doing the same question for both strategies today because that's what you will be doing this week for day 2 and day 4 of math work. The hook is the first strategy we learned, and I'm going to start by setting up my page. $73 divided or shared with 3 things. It could be 73 cookies shared with 3 people. Let's think about it like that. Who remembers their friendly numbers for the hook? The friendly numbers, if you remember, are 2, 5, and 10. We're going to be using those friendly numbers to take us through the steps. The first step is division, the second step is multiply, and the third step is subtract. I'm just going to write those here at the top. Divide, multiply, subtract. Dinos must succeed. Let's think about it that way. Alrighty. The first thing we're going to ask ourselves is, how many times can 3 go into 70? Or, what friendly number would be best to use there? If I multiply 3 by 2, that would only bring us to the number 6. 3 multiplied by 5 would be 15. 3 multiplied by 10 would bring us to 30, and that's the closest to 70. So we'll do that. Our friendly number is 10. Now we're going to go on to multiply. 10 times 3 is 30. Then we're going to go on to step 3, which is subtract. 73 minus 30 is 43. And then we're going to start back at the beginning, divide. How many times can 3 go into 43? 2 times would only be 6, 5 times would be 15, and 10 times would be 30. We can do 10 again. Second step, multiply. 10 times 3 is 30. And the third step is subtract, leaving us with 13. Now if we did 10 again on the side, 10 multiplied by 3 would be 30. That is far too much. Let's look at 2. 2 times 3 would be 6. That works. Let's try 5. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. That's too much, so I have to stick with 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And our third step, subtract, leaving us with 7. I can go ahead and do 2 one more time. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Leaving us with 1 remainder. Let's add up our side numbers. 10 plus 10 plus 2 plus 2 is 24. Remainder 1. And that's the hook. We're going to do the same question for traditional. $73 divided by 3. How many times can 3 go into 7 or 70? 1 time would be 3. 2 times would be 6. That's divide. Now we're on multiply. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 or 20 because it's in the 10 spot. Multiplied by 3 is 60. And step 3 is subtract. Dinos must succeed. Leaving us with 13. Divide. How many times can 3 go into 13? 1 time would be 3. 2 times would be 6. 3 times would be 9. 4 times would be 12. 5 times would be 15, which would be too much. So we're going to stick with 4 times. Multiply 4 times 3 is 12. And our last step is subtract, leaving us with 1 remainder. You can see that we have the same answer for both the hook and traditional, showing us that our answer is correct. Thank you for watching.